The BJP here taking out a protest against the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister against the stampede in Bengaluru that claimed 11 lives. You can see multiple leaders of the BJP and hundreds of workers who've gathered here at the Freedom Park. They're all saying that the onus here lies on the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. They are the ones who invited people to come join at the Vidhan Sabha and then at the Chinnaswamy Stadium as well. You can see all of them gathered here. I have the leader of the opposition, Mr. Challuwadi Narayanaswamy. Sir, you could tell us right now what's the main demand from the BJP?
Main demand is CM and Deputy CM should resign because of it is a self-mistake done by this government. So winning the cup is different. Enjoying the rights of the people, but what way government is connected, and government wanted to grab the credit of this win, so that what for? And they called people of Karnataka to come to celebrate near the Vidhan Sabha. That is their mistake, so that they have to resign. That is our demand.
Right. Thank you for speaking to us. You can see the party president, Mr. Vijayendra, as well here along with the other leaders. And as the party workers here continue to gather and shout slogans, the demand is simple that the resignation should come in. They wanted publicity, they called the people, it led to the stampede, and they are the ones who should resign. We'll really have to see what sort of responses come in from the Congress, who continue to maintain that the BJP tries to play politics over the dead. With video journalist Kumar, this is Deepak Bopana for NDTV.
So Deepak, they're telling us more of the kind of protests that were launched by the BJP and what really is their demand. But what has the Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah, said? Is he going to be taking accountability or not? Let's listen in to his response.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಕುಂಭಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೋಜನ ಸತ್ರ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ 242 ಜನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು
ಅಹಮದಾಬಾದ್ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಸರ್
ಅದಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಅಲಹಾಬಾದ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೋಧ್ರಾ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ಯಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೊಡೋದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡುವಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ 140 ಜನ ಸತ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು
ಪ್ರಧಾನಿಯವರು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು
ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇವರು what moral right these people have?
Couple of weeks later, the 11 lives have been lost, multiple people injured, but the politics continues. The BJP now saying that it is the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister who should take onus. They are the ones who are responsible. They wanted publicity. They called the people and, they are the ones who should resign. Now a rebuttal coming in the past as well, we've heard similar rebuttals, not just from Mr. Siddaramaiah, but even from AICC President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. Today, once again reiterating that there were deaths in the stampede in Kumbh. This was something that found a mention in his initial press conference after the stampede itself. He's also questioned the recent loss of lives in the Air India crash. He's questioned the bridge collapse, and in all these instances, whether BJP leaders have demanded resignations of their own. Now we'll really have to see with this sort of a war of words that's going on between the Congress and the BJP. How will this really conclude? Because Mr. Siddaramaiah, of course, is making his stand very clear that they have no moral right to demand his resignation.